me show you another one. This one's a 4-year-old singing. I hope you love it. Here she is.
So, what are you going to do for us today?
Sing.
Sing. Okay. Does it make you happy to sing? Do you really enjoy it?
Yes.
When you're ready, you can start to sing, okay? All right, then.